Elements of a Reliable Source by Faris Sheikh. What is a reliable source? A reliable source is one that provides a detailed, well-reasoned theory, argument, discussion, etc., that is based on strong evidence. How to find a reliable source? Well, that you know what a reliable source should be, you might want to know how to examine a source to make sure it's reliable. There are many tests to use, but today I will talk about the CRAAP test. The acronym stands for Currency, Relevance, Authority, Accuracy, and Purpose. C stands for Currency. First, you must find when the source was published, and after you find the date, you should find out if the information was revised or edited anytime after it was published. Then you should check if your topic needs new or old information, like if you're talking about history or if you're talking about something that happened in the 21st century. You should also check and make sure that if there are any links, to make sure that they work. And if the links don't work, it might mean it's an outdated or old source. Relevance. For relevance, you must show the importance of the information for your needs. You can ask yourself, who is my intended audience, or is this information appropriate for my grade level? You should also be able to relate the information to your topic or question. Relevance is important because it could be like something of old information or something completely off topic of what you're talking about. Like say if you're talking about sports and now you're talking about food or how food is involved with sports. Authority. To prove authority, you must be able to answer the following questions. Who was the author or publisher? What are the author's credentials or organizational affiliations given? What are the author's credentials, organizational affiliations, if given? What are the author's qualifications to write on the topic? Like if he's a professor in history, and so he writes about World War I. And then if there is contact information, such as like the publisher email or a number, and does the URL reveal anything about the author's source? Like if the link is a bit.ly link, it could actually never mind. Being able to answer those questions will help you verify the authority of the information. Next up is accuracy. You need to make sure your information is accurate and not opinionated. To detect if the information is opinionated, you should try and check for biased or emotional language in the text. To do this, you need to check where the information comes from and if there's any evidence supporting the information, and you should try and verify some information using another source. Purpose. You need to know the purpose of the information. If the author doesn't make the purpose or intentions clear, then the information could have been like a journal, like a quick thought, put onto a website, or was intended for research. You should also try to see if there are any political, ideological, cultural, religious, institutional, or personal biases in the information. Because this could be something the publisher is trying to persuade you into thinking this person is better than this person, or this religion is better than this religion, or culture, like anything he's trying to give his opinion out, or her. Yeah. And this is all that I have for you today. Thank you.